and read a book. Literally the second time I have fallen in this combination outfit combo. These white and green pants. I tripped and I fell on my fingers, bro. That's painful. In case any of you are wondering. But I'm okay now. I think the jinx is broken. I don't know if you all feel this way, but when you're at home, it just seems like it's really cold. But when you're outside, it's not. Does that make sense? I'm going to sit here and read. In fact, you can't be sad when you're sitting in the sun. There's my water bottle, bro. So I worked out in the morning, and now I don't know if this is distracting to you all or not, the shadow of this net. I hope it's not. I'm going to read now. I have around 20 pages left to finish this book. I don't know if you guys do this, but I'll start. I'm currently reading 7 books, which is wild. So I want to just finish a few of them. The one I'm right now reading is My Life on the Road, Gloria Steinman. She blackout insane. I'm trying to phrase this right. She was, I don't know if she's still alive, was a writer and a political activist. And I'm learning a lot about feminism through this book because she's documented and she was around for a lot of. Why do I sound like this? Let's need to read the book. I can't. I don't know my brain. This is my brain, but I can't say it out loud. So basically, we all have this idea of feminism, especially because of the internet. And feminism isn't the thing that we think it is about. It's not about being better than men. We know that. It's about equality. But it's also, women didn't have basic rights to vote, to do so many things. And that's how it started, the movement. So it's about that. It's also about reproductive rights, which was a discussion recently also. The whole right to abortion. This wasn't a discussion in India, but it's just, she's documented all that. And this is, I think, it's set in the 60s, 70s, through the 60s, 70s till the 2000s. So it's really interesting. I'm going to get back to reading. By the way, I love these bookmarks. You get them at Fakir and they do one for every season. So I have to I think a mango season one. It's called Amal Tars. I don't think that's mango. I think it's autumn. I don't know what Amal Tars is. I think it's the more I speak, the more I hold foot in the mouth situation. Anyway, this book is very interesting, as I was saying. Right now I'm on this part which talks about there's a child here. I feel like I'm in school. It talks about a lot of different things. Maybe this is why you should not read 7 books at the same time. I do remember a lot. I started reading this book I think 5 months back. What is this? This book it's just about her experiences as a traveler. So she travels a lot. She's a writer. She's also talks and stuff at different colleges. Yes? हाँ क्या खेलना है आपको Kitchen. ठीक है, किधर खेलना है? उधर खेलना है? I've just been invited to play kitchen. In my books, that's a win. So I think I'll not be reading this right now. Let me just play with the kid for a bit. Hi! I'm gonna blow her face off because I think that's up to parents to show their children's faces or not, and I'm not going to put some child's face. Bye! I'm currently playing kitchen. She's gonna cook something, a breakfast for me. I wish this was a real life thing. आप वहाँ से मेरा बुक लेके आओगे प्लीज? आई थिंक आई कैन कंटिन्यू रीडिंग. मेरा बुक लेके आओगे वहाँ से प्लीज? मेरा वो ब्लैक कलर का बुक है उधर, आप उधर से लेके आओगे प्लीज? She's just picking up twigs. Am I going to eat grass? Oh God. Yes, thank you. This sweet child. Thank you. क्या बना रहे हो आप?
सैंडविच.
कौन सा सैंडविच? चिकन चीज. ओके, मैं बुक पढ़ रही हूँ तब तक, ठीक है? So this book is really interesting. There's this part in which they talk about agriculture, different agricultural methods, and it talks about how marigold, the flower, you plant that and it's a natural pesticide, which is so cool. Also, when it comes to irrigation, it says that if you make mounds.
Yellow.
Thank you. कौन सा sandwich है ये?
Huh?
Chicken sandwich? Oh, thank you. Wow. Very nice. Thank you. I'm so habitual of eating. I actually took a bite of leaf and mud. आप भी खाओ. सैंडविच आपने खुद के लिए भी बनाया? वेरी गुड. I was talking about agriculture, irrigation. It's called milpa. मैं अभी जाके मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के पढ़ सकती हूँ? मैं जाऊँ अभी? अच्छा, अभी क्या खेल रहे हैं आप? किचन. ठीक है, अभी क्या बना रहे हो? अच्छा, किचन सेट. सॉरी. अभी क्या बना रहे हो आप? अभी क्या बना रहे हो? चिकन चिली. Oh wow. I'm still sitting here. The game is not over. Fun. If you are wondering where the camera is moving, she's using a brick to make mud. For the mud. Creative, very creative. आपका नाम क्या है? दिया. डुगू आपकी बहन है? ओह, डुगू कहाँ है?
वो घर पे.
I know, sister. Have you ever thought of writing an autobiography? I feel like it's difficult to remember things that in that much detail. How to fill the pages. Tell me some anecdotes you would mention in your autobiography. If you had to write one, or someone's autobiography, what would you like in it, mentioned in it? I really came out with an intention to read, but I can't. वो क्या है दिखाओ? Shell. ओ किसी का टॉय है. पर नहीं उठाओ इसको वापस रख दो. Very good girl. It's very difficult to find a book you can't put down. Sometimes you you're so absorbed. Oh wow! Chicken chili? Wow! Stones, mud, leaf and a leaf. Wow! आप कितने साल के हो?
5.
Wow!
Very, very.
6? Oh wow! You would be very kind to children of this age because they understand the tone in your voice. You be kind to children in general. Look how cute this is though. Very nice. आप भी लो खाओ. नहीं खाना ठीक है. Thank you. वो खाना बना रही है अभी पत्तों के साथ. दीदी पूछ रही है आपने खाना खाया?
हाँ?
आपने खाना खाया पूछ रही है दीदी. नहीं खाया. लंच नहीं खाया. क्यों?
रात को खाती हूँ.
दिन में नहीं खाते?
दिन में नहीं खाते.
क्यों?
कमजोर हो जाएगी.
जाओ लंच खाओ. मम्मी को बोलो लंच खाना है.
दिया था पर घर से खाकर आ गई.
खाया ना लंच? वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. उसने खाया बोल रही है. उसने खाया. अब मैं जाऊँ? मैं जाऊँ? बाय.
कहाँ पर जा रही हो?
मैं उधर जाऊंगी और पढ़ने की कोशिश करूंगी थोड़ा सा. ठीक है?
पढ़ने के बाद खेलने आओगे वापस?
पढ़ने के बाद मुझे घर जाना है.
ग्राउंड
नहीं मैं इधर ही थी. बस मन नहीं कर रहा था वॉक पे आने का.
अब 10 चल रहा है.
हाँ
अब 10
नहीं हाँ ऐसे ही पढ़ रही हूँ.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
हाँ हाँ नहीं.
बोलती आप पुलिस में देते हो.
पुलिस में? क्यों?
ऐसा लगा मुझे.
मैं पुलिस में मैं किसी को नहीं पकड़ सकती. मैं भाग ही नहीं सकती. और बहुत पढ़ा है. हाइट अच्छा. हाउ स्वीट. ऑफिसर बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है ना. The first time someone told me I should have been a cop. That's really sweet. प्रिया मैं वहाँ जा रही हूँ. ठीक है? I love reading books. I was in a really bad mood. And look at the part that I read. Every day is a good day because we are part of everything alive. When you think of it in that way, there's so much to be grateful for. On that note, go for a walk. If you can't, just close your eyes and be present. Have a nice evening.